Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at Madam Glam's November collection. Look at these autumny colours. This month's Madam Glam collection, guys, is a collaboration with myself. So I have got a massive 50% off discount code for you guys to use. I was just showing you there that Madam Glam gel bottles always have the name on the bottom and that swatch on the top. So that one is actually a no wipe top coat. So we have got 7 beautiful creamy shades and we've got 1 no wipe top coat in this collection. So Madam Glam gels, you get big massive 15ml bottles. They are a soak off gel polish. Like I said earlier, you've got your swatch on the top and your name on the bottom. So this one's called Cosy Blanket. We've also got the directions on the back. We've got the ingredients on the back if anyone wants to just have a quick look through those. Madam Glam gels cure for 1 minute in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. They are vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and hema free. So they are amazing quality, great for people who has allergies, especially hema allergies. So we've got my swatch sticks already labelled, ready to go. So we're going to swatch them very quickly first, starting off with this one called Cosy Blanket. So while I am swatching these guys, I am just going to pop a little bit of music on, speed the swatches up. Then I will top coat them with the shiny top coat and matte top coat, just so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. And then that's when I'll pop back in and we'll take a look at them. And then I want to do a little design at the end as well, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Guys, look how creamy and opaque that is after 1 coat. Amazing, amazing formula. So let's have a look at Traditional. So yeah, I'm going to pop a little bit of music on, guys, speed the swatches up, and I'll pop back in a minute.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You want it honest, I'm giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
And that is what they look like all swatched. So that's what they look like with Madam Glam's no wipe shiny top coat on the top half and the velvet matte top top coat on the bottom half. I was just showing you that I'm going to be doing a design today using the 2 greens, the 2 reds and Cosy blanket, that really light pinky colour. So I've pulled out my red iguana hand, stuck some tips in them cuticle wells. I'm going to start off by using Teal Deal, and I'm going to give a full coat of that to the pointer fingernail and the pinky nail. I'll only show you me painting the pointer fingernail in this colour, and I'll do the pinky nail off camera just to save a little bit of time. You don't need to see me painting all 4 tips. So I've painted the pinky nail off camera. Now we're going in with full Serenade, and I'm going to apply that to the 2 middle nails. Again, I'll just show you me applying it to the 1 nail, and then we'll get on and do the artwork. So I've pulled my palette out. On my palette, I'm going to add a little bit of Cosy blanket. A little bit of apple pie, and a little bit of Nature's Gift. And I'm also going to add a little bit of Madam Glam's black gel paint as well. Always make sure you stir these gel paints before you use them as well, guys. They always need a good stir if they've been sat about. So going to be using Madam Glam's striping brush. This is like my go-to brush when I'm doing line work. And I'm using that black gel paint, and I'm going to paint a border around the whole of the nail. And I'm going to do that on all 4 nails. I think I just showed you me doing this one. I didn't want the video to get too repetitive, so yeah, I just showed you me doing this one. So now I'm going in with Nature's Gift, that dark green, and I'm going to do the shadow line, which is the darker line. And then on the red nail, I'm using apple pie. Just like that. All it is like, can you see the shape of a candy cane kind of shape? Just like that. Give them a cure. And now for the light reflection lines, I'm using Cosy blanket. You could use a lighter green and a lighter red. You could use Madam Glam's white gel paint. But I wanted to use most of the colours out of this month's collection. So I thought I'd use Cosy blanket to do this. It actually looked great. So now I'm going in with the black gel paint, and I'm painting some leaves. So all I did to start with was paint the stem, and now I'm going to paint the leaves coming off the stem. So that's the leaves all painted. I'm now going to give them a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And now we're going to go in with Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Give all 4 tips a coat of the Velvet Matte Top Coat. Give them a cure for 60 seconds, and then it's time to add a little bit of bling. So I'm just adding a little bit of rhinestone glue onto the leaves. And then on each leaf, I'm just going to add 1 teeny tiny AB crystal and then a caviar bead either side of it. And I'm going to do that on every single leaf. I'll just show you me doing this one now, and then I'll do the other one off camera, guys. And then that'll be them all finished. So I'm going to add some crystals and caviar beads on that pinky nail, but I'll do them off camera, guys. And then that is what they look like all finished. What do you think? I actually really like these. I really like the combination of the comic book nails with kind of abstracty leafy designs. I'm not keen on that red colour, but I think it worked really well in this set. So what do you guys think? Do you like them, or are they not really your cup of tea? I do really like that teal deal colour. That's probably one of my favourite colours out of this collection. So shall we have a look at the swatches again one last time? So this is Madam Glam's November collection called Harvest Hues. So we've got Cosy Blanket, Traditional, Teal Deal, Nature's Gift, Stormy Day, Fall Serenade, Apple Pie, and then this no wipe top coat called Leaf Bliss. Let me show you this no wipe top coat again. It is stunning. I think it's got reflective fine glitter in there as well, because it's super shiny when you've got the flashlight on. So that's what those look like, matte and shiny. And that is the end of the video, guys. So everything that I've used today, I'll leave a list of in my description box below. I have got a massive 35% off discount code for the Madam Glam website. But throughout the whole of November, because I have collaborated with Madam Glam on this month's collection, they have given me a massive 50% off discount code for you guys to use throughout the whole of November. It's not a one-time use code either. You can use it as many times as you want throughout the whole of November. So that code is GG50. I'll leave it pinned in my comments along with the link to the Madam Glam website. So make sure you take full advantage of that, guys, because that is a huge 50% off discount code. Wow. I also just want to take this time to say a massive thank you to anyone that joined me on Madam Glam's Instagram and TikTok lives the other day when I was showing this collection. Thank you so much to everyone that joined me. It was so nerve-wracking, but once I saw people's names come up that I recognised, it made me feel so much more at ease. So thank you so much for your support in that, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.